Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Java developers face when working with JavaFX ControlsFX. The problem we're tackling involves the auto-completion feature in text fields, where multiple bindings can stack up and lead to a confusing user experience. Imagine you're trying to search for something in a text field, but instead of a single auto-completion pop-up, you end up with multiple overlapping ones. Not ideal, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key lies in creating a custom auto-completion binding using the provided code snippet. By leveraging the textfields.bindAutocompletion method along with some stream filtering magic, we can ensure that only the relevant auto-completion suggestions are displayed to the user. With a little creativity and attention to detail, we can implement a clean and efficient solution that eliminates the issue of stacked auto-completion bindings. To sum it up, we've explored a practical solution to the auto-completion problem in JavaFX ControlsFX. By customizing the auto-completion binding and filtering the suggestions based on user input, we can create a seamless and user-friendly experience. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding!